Today I'm in class 3B. Today I'm telling you about mathematics problem. This is my video, make a mathematics problem based on my picture. I have many stickers. I put the sticker in the box. Each box contains 120 stickers. How many stickers I have altogether? Step 1. Multiply the 1s by 0. 0 ones times 3 equals 0 ones. Step 2. Multiply the multiply the tens by 20. 20 tens times 3 equals 6 tens. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 100. 100 times 3 equals 300. The answer is 3 multiplied 120. In conclusion, I have 360 stickers altogether. Thank you for listening my presentation. God bless you all.
I'm in class 3B. Today I'm going to tell you about multiplication with problems. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many candies. I put the candies in 5 bowls. Each bowl contains 152 candies. Step 1. Multiply the ones by 5. 2 ones times 5 equals 10 ones. Regroup the ones. 10 ones equals 1 tenth. To multiply the tens by 5. 5 tens times 5 equals 25 tens. Add 25 tens plus 1 ten equals 26 tens. We group the tens. 26 tens equals 206 tens. Step 2. Multiply the hundreds by 5. 100 times 5 equals 100. Add the hundreds. 5 hundreds plus 200 equals 700. The answer is 760 candies. In conclusion, I have 760 candies. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
I'm in class 3B. Today I'm gonna tell you about multiplication word problem. I have many shells. I put the shells in 3 boxes. Each boxes contains 132 shells. How many shells are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the 1 by 3. 2 1 times 3 equals 6 1. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 3 tens times 3 equals 9 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundred by 3. 100 times 3 equals 300. So 132 multiplied by 3 equals 396. So I have 396 shells altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today I want to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I made a math problem based on my picture. I have many comics. I put them into 3 boxes. Each box has 111 comics. How many comics do I have altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 1 times 3 equals 3 1. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 110 times 3 equals 3 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 100 times 3 equals 300. Thank you for listening to my. And so in conclusion, I have 333 comics altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today I wanted that I am in class 3P. Today I want to tell you about multiplication word problem. I have many shells. I put the shells into two boxes. Each box contains 118 shells. How many shells are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 2. 8 ones times 2 equals 16 ones. Regroup the ones. 16 ones equal 1 times 6 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 2. 2 times 1 equals 2 tens. Add the tens. 1 10 plus 2 10 equals 3 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 2. 100 times 2 equals 200. So the answer is 2 multiplied by 118 is 236. The conclusion is I have 236 shells altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
I am in class 3P. Today I'm telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem. Based on my picture, I have many comics. I put the comics in 3 boxes. Each box contains 143 comics. How many comics are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 3 ones times 3 equals 9 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 2 tens times 3 tens equals 12 tens. Regroup the tens. 12 tens equals 100. 2 tens. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 3. 100 times 3 equals 300. And 100 plus 300 equals 400. The answer in 3 multiplied by 143 is 429. In conclusion, I have 429 comics altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
I am in class 3B. Today I'm going to presentate about a multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many shells. I put the shells in 3 buckets. Each bucket contains 555 shells. How many shells are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 5 ones times 3 equals 15 ones. Regroup the ones. 15 ones equals to 110 and 5 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 5 tens times 3 equals 15 tens. Add the tens. 15 tens plus 1 tens equals to 16 tens. Group the tens. 16 tens equals to 106 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 5 hundreds times 3 equals 15 hundreds. Add the hundreds. 15 hundreds plus 100 equals to 16 hundreds. Group the hundreds. 16 hundreds equals to 1006 hundreds. is 3 multiplied by 555 is 1665. In conclusion, I have 1665 shells altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
I am in class 3P. Today I'm telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many comics. I put the comics in 4 boxes. Each box contains 230 comics. How many comics are altogether? Step 1. Multiply 2 ones by 0. 0 ones times 4 equals 0 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 3 tens times 4 equals 12 tens. Regroup the tens. 12 tens equals 102 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 2. 2 hundreds times 4 equals 8 hundreds. The hundreds. 8 hundreds plus 100 equals 9 hundreds. The answer is 3 multiplied by 230 is 920. In conclusion, I have 920 comics altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
I'm in class 3B. Today I want to telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. Jack has 3 boxes of Ultraman cards. In each box contains 384 cards. How many cards does Jack has altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 4 ones multiplied 3 equal 12 ones. We group the ones. 12 ones equal 1 tens to ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 8 tens multiplied 3 equal 24 tens. Add the tens. 24 tens plus 1 ten equal 25 tens. We group the tens. 25 tens equal 205 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 300 multiplied 3 equal 900. Add the tens. 900 plus 200 equal 1100. Regroup the hundreds. 1100 equal 1100. So the answer is 3 multiplied 384 is equal 1152. In conclusion, Jack has 1152 Ultraman cards altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
I am in class 3B. Today I will telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many teddy bears. I put the teddy bears in 3 boxes. Each box contains 112 teddy bears altogether. Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 2 ones times 3 equals 6 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 3 tens times 3 equals 9 tens. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 3. 100 times 3 equals 300. The answer is 112 times 3 equals 336. In conclusion, I have
336 teddy bears are together. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I want to tell you about word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. One day, Claire, Anna, and Mia buy some teddy bears. Each one of them got 111 bucks. How many teddies are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones with 3. So 1 times 3 equals 3. Step 2. Multiply the tens with 3. So 1 times 3 equals 3. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds with 3. So 1 times 3 equals 3. So in conclusion, Claire, Anna, and Mia have 333 bears altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you. I'm in class 3B. Today I want to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math word problem based on my picture. I have many stickers. I put the sticker in 3 packs. Each pack contains 332 stickers all together. Oh, how many stickers are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply ones by 3. 3 ones multiplied by 3 is 6 ones. Step 2. Multiply 10 by 3. 3 times multiplied by 3 is 9 times. Step 3. Multiply the hundred by 3. 300 multiplied by 3 is 100. The answer is 3 multiplied by 332 is 996. The the conclusion, I have 996 stickers altogether. Thank you for listening my presentation. God bless you.
I'm in class 3B. Today I am telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many candies. I put the candies in 3 boxes. Each box contains 355 candies. How many candies are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 5 ones multiplied 3 equal 9 ones. Regroup 15 ones. Regroup the ones. 15 ones equal 1 tenth, 5 zeros. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 5 tenths multiplied 3 equal 15 tenths. Add the tenths. 15 tenths add 1 tenth equal 16 tenths. Regroup the tenths. 60 tenths equal 106 tenths. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 3 hundreds multiplied 3 equal 9 hundredths. Add the hundreds. 9 hundredths multiplied 9 hundredths add 1 hundredth equal 10 hundredths. Regroup the hundreds.
10 hundredths equal 1000 hundredths. In conclusion, I have 1065 candies altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
In class 3B. Today, I want to tell you about multiplication word problem. In this picture, I made a math problem based on my picture. I have many stickers. I put it in 3 boxes. Each box contains 124 stickers. How many stickers are there all together? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 equals 1 and 2 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 tens. 6 tens plus 1 tens equals 7 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 3 times 100 equals 300. The answer is 370. In conclusion, I have 370 stickers all together. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
I am in class 3B. Today, I'm telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. A fisherman collected 145 shells on each day for 3 days. How many shells did he collect altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 5 1 times 3 equals 15 ones. Regroup the ones. 15 ones equal 1 10 and 5 1. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 4 tens times 3 equals 12 tens. Add the tens. 12 tens plus 1 ten equals 13 tens. Regroup the tens. 13 tens equal 103 tens. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 3. 100 times 3 equals 300. Add the hundreds. 300 plus 100 equals 400. The answer 3 multiply 145 is 435. In conclusion, the fisherman collected 435 shells altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today I am telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many comic books. I put the comic books in 3 boxes. Each box contains 133 comic books. How many comic books are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 3 ones cross 3 equal 9 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 3 tens cross 3 equal 9 tens. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 3. 100 cross 3 equal 300. The answer is 3 multiply 1 by 133 is 399. In conclusion, I have 399 comic books altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I'm going to tell you about multiplication word problem.
I have many cells. I have many cells. I put the cells in 3 frames. Each frame contains 232. How many did Frankie have? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 2 ones times 3 equals 6 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 3 tens times 3 equals 9 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 3 hundreds times 3 equals 200. 200. The answer is 3 times 232 equals 696. In conclusion, I have 696 cells. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today I'm telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a multiplication word problem based on my picture. James has many cookies. He has 3 jars. He puts 113 cookies in each jar. So how many cookies does James have altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 3 ones times 3 equals 9 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 1 tens times 3 equals 3 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 100 times 3 equals 300. So the answer is 339 multiplied by 100 and 339. In conclusion, I have 339 cookies altogether. Thank you for listening. God bless you.
Today, I want to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. Albert has 9 boxes of bananas. Each box contains 340 bananas. How many bananas were there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 9. 0 ones times 9 equals 0 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 9. 4 tens times 9 equals 36 tens. Regroup the tens, which means 3 hundreds plus 6 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 9. 3 hundreds times 9 equals 27 hundreds. Regroup the tens. Add the tens, which means 27 hundreds plus 3 hundreds equals 30 hundreds, which means 3,000 plus 0 tens. 0 hundreds. The answer is 9 times 140 equals 3,060. In conclusion, Alvin has 3,060 bananas altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation, Modesty.
Today I'm trying to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I made a math problem based on my picture. I have many bouncy balls. I put the bouncy balls in 3 boxes. Each box contains 195 bouncy balls. How much bouncy balls are all together? Multiply the ones by 3. 5 ones times 3 equals 15 ones. We group the ones by 3. 15 ones
equals 1 10 5 ones. Multiply the tens. 9 tenths times 3 equals 27 tenths. Add the tens. 27 tenths plus 1 tenth equals 28 tenths. We group the tenths. We group the tenths. 28 tenths equals 200 208 tenths. Multiply the 100s. 100 times 300 equals 300. 100 times 3 equals 300. Add the hundreds. 300 plus 200 equals 500. The answer is 3 times 195 is 585. I have 585 bouncy balls altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today I want to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I made a math problem based on my picture. I have many apples and I put the apples in 5 baskets. In basket form. For each basket contains 150 apples. How many apples are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 5. 0 ones times 5 equals 0. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 5. 5 times 5 equals 25 tens. Regroup the tens. 25 tens equals 205 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 5. 100 times 5 equals 500. 500 plus 200 equals 700. The answer is 5 times 150 equals 750. In conclusion, I have 750 apples all together. Thank you for listening my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I am telling you about multiplication word problems. This is my picture. All has 3 cases of toy cars. Each case contains 134 toy cars. So many toy cars did Carl have? All together, step 1, multiply 4 by 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. So we write 2 in here and take the 1. Step 2, multiply the 3 by 3. 3 times 3 plus 1 equals 0. 10. So we write 0 in here and save the 1. Step 3. Multiply the 1 by 3. 1 times 3 plus 1 equals 4. So we write 4 in here. So Carl has 402 toy cars all together. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today I am telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many chocolates. I put the chocolate in 3 boxes. Each box contains 121 chocolates. How many chocolates are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 1 ones times 3 equals 3 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 2 tens times 3 equals 6 tens. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 3. 100 times 3 equals 300. The answer is 3 multiplied by 121 is 363. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today I'm telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. Tommy had 4 boxes of pencils. Each box contained 122 pencils. How many pencils did Tommy have all together? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 4. 2 ones times 4 equals 8 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 4. 2 tens times 4 equals 8 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 4. 100 times 4 equals 400. So the answer is 400 times 122 is 488 pencils altogether. In conclusion, Tommy had 488 pencils altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you. Today I am telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. Then I have 3 boxes of stickers. Each box contained 132 stickers. How many stickers did Sally have altogether? Multiply 132 by 3. Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 2 ones times 3 equals 6 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 3 tens times 3 equals 9 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 100 times 3 equals 300. The answer is 3 multiplied by 132 is 396. In conclusion, Sally had 396 stickers altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today I'm telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. Leo has 180 stickers. His 2 brothers, Max and John, have 180 stickers too. How many stickers do they have altogether?
Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 1 times 3 equals 1. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 8 tens times 3 equals 24 tens. We group the tens, 24 tens equals 200 for tens. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 3. 100 times 3 equals 300. Add the 100. 300 plus 200 equals 500. The answer is 3 multiplied by 180 is 540. In conclusion, I have 540 stickers at the treasure. Thank you for listening to my presentation.